In today's video, I am going to teach you how to browse and open folders and files with Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, create a new tab so you have a clean place to work. This makes it easier to enter the location you want without replacing a page you may already have open. Next, move to the address bar at the top of the browser window. In that address bar, type file/ and then press enter on your keyboard. If your files are stored on a different drive, you can replace C with another drive letter. For example, if you use a secondary drive, you would enter that drive letter instead. When you press enter, Chrome will open that drive as a local file location. From there, you can begin browsing through folders and files directly inside the browser window. This works similarly to navigating a website, except you are looking through locations on your own computer rather than pages on the internet. If the drive opens successfully, you will see a list of available folders and files. You can click a folder to open it and continue moving deeper into your directory structure. If you want to go back, use the browser's back button just as you would on a normal web page. If you click on a compatible file, Chrome may open it directly in the browser. This is especially useful for common file types that Chrome can display, such as certain text, image, or PDF files. Keep in mind that some file types may not open inside Chrome depending on the format and your system settings. In those cases, Chrome may download the file or prompt you to choose another way to open it. That covers everything you need to know.